I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now.
The percentage of approved applications, if you talk to a client face-to-face contact, whether it's by phone or you face-to-face with them, talking to them, excluding all that gig funding, if they answer the pre-qualification questions on the application honestly and correctly, and their background is clean, then we're going to be able to get about 80% of them an offer. Honesty is the key to all of this. Understanding why your business owner wants to get funded. Personal and business background reports come in kind of like this. Here's a real example of a client, and this is what the lender told us. They've had defaults, liens, judgments, and bankruptcies of some one of those in the past. But the message also came in: criminal filing. Profile does not meet minimum risk parameters due to past criminal filings. Call for additional details if needed. So I call them, and then they will tell me exactly what took place here, and any kind of egregious type situation, financial, that sort of thing, they're not going to get funded. It's just nobody in our space, because these are non-collateralized signature fundings with revenue-based funding. So there's not a lot that we got to go on when we make these offers and we provide them with the funding. The file is going to always be declined if there's criminal charges for theft or any other kind of financial crime. Even a misdemeanor of writing bad checks could actually affect the offer. We just have to see what it was. If it wasn't a ton of bad checks, that's fine. And other criminal filings involving egregious acts such as murder, harm to children, spousal abuse, kidnapping, stuff like that, they're not going to overlook that. And unfortunately, you're just not going to be able to get them funded. And if they've had a personal or business bankruptcy in the last 7 years, it's going to be a problem. I've gotten some in the last 3 or 4 years, as long as everything's dismissed through, but we can never fund someone who's in an active personal or business bankruptcy scenario right now. Hold on, I'm going to take one sip of water. Okay, now the file is going to be declined if any of the following can be found in the background. If they have a history of changing bank accounts to avoid overdrafts. In other words, if we're in the middle of trying to get someone funded, and within the last couple of weeks during the same month, they've already changed bank accounts, there's going to be a really great reason. And sometimes I have to go to them and say, get your bank to state the reason that you closed the account. If they close the account and reopen another one in the same bank, that's usually a good sign. But if they move to another bank, they got to have a really good reason and a letter from the other bank saying they're in good standing. Business changing their bank account to an online bank like Lily, Found, some of these other ones that are out there, these banks won't allow daily or weekly ongoing drafts to come out of them. So most of the lenders out there are not going to be able to fund. Now, we can fund Square bank statements and a couple others, but when you get to some of these really small online accounts, we're not going to be able to really get those things funded. The business has changed partners because of a past legal issue. This happens a lot more than you think, where let's say that their partner and them defaulted, but it was in the partner's name, and then this other person takes over. That default went against the partner, but it also went against the business. There are going to be issues. And if that partner was from another business and came to yours and they defaulted in the past on that other business, it's probably going to prevent them from being able to get funding in this industry. If the business licenses have been revoked, they just got to go renew them These are things that we do every day, and sometimes it can take a day or two to get them to go get their business license back in good graces. Not current with the Secretary of State. In most cases, that means that they just didn't file correctly. You have to file. You have to file every year with the Secretary of State. If you don't file during that year and provide that information, then they'll revoke your SOS. And when they do that, you just have to go back and refile. Sometimes it can be done in minutes, sometimes in a day or two.
You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today.